Welcome back to the channel, and today we have something truly special, a revival that blends retro charm with modern innovation. Yes, it's finally here, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. And trust me, VW fans and vintage car lovers alike are going to want to stick around for this one. Let's dive right into it. First off, the return of the Karmann Ghia is more than just a nod to the past. Volkswagen has carefully reimagined the iconic coupe with an updated design language that still holds true to the original's curvy, elegant silhouette. The low, swooping roofline, the gently flared fenders, and that unmistakable rear end have all been modernized with LED lighting, subtle aero work, and refined body lines, giving it a sleek yet nostalgic presence. The front grille is minimalist, in line with VW's current EV design cues, and yes, this is an all-electric model just as many predicted. Walking around the exterior, you'll notice the blend of vintage cues and modern craftsmanship. The flush door handles, frameless windows, and available two-tone paint jobs with a contrasting roof are just stunning. You can even get it with chrome trim options, reminiscent of the original 50s and 60s models. The car sits on beautifully, sculpted 19 or 20-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim, and it all just works. It's classy, it's sporty, and it stands out in a way that's both elegant and bold. Now let's slide into the cabin, and wow, Volkswagen really put in the work here. The interior is a perfect fusion of retro-inspired design and modern tech. You're greeted by a two-spoke steering wheel with a VW logo that glows subtly. The dash features a wraparound design that feels vintage, but incorporates a wide digital display seamlessly across the instrument cluster and infotainment area. It's sleek, it's intuitive, and very driver-focused. Materials are upscale, with soft-touch leather, wood grain accents, and brushed aluminum all coming together to create a premium feel. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds a touch of futuristic coolness, and the seats are just about perfect. Well-bolstered, ventilated, and available in color schemes that throw back to the classic Karmann Ghias. Space-wise, it's a 2+2 layout, but the rear seats are better suited for storage or small passengers. And speaking of storage, the front trunk and a rear compartment give this electric coupe decent practicality for weekend trips or daily use. Performance-wise, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is no slouch. Built on VW's MEB platform, it comes with two powertrain options at launch. The base model is rear-wheel drive, pushing out around 210 horsepower, plenty for spirited drives and city cruising. The top-end dual-motor version bumps that up to nearly 320 horsepower in all-wheel drive, giving you instant torque and impressive 0 to 60 times in just under 5 seconds. The handling is tight, with adaptive suspension and low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement, making it feel agile and confident on twisty roads. Range is competitive too. Expect around 280 to 310 miles on a single charge depending on the configuration. DC fast charging capability allows you to get up to 80% in about 30 minutes, which is right on par with what you'd expect from a premium EV in 2026. Regan braking is adjustable, and you've got drive modes that let you toggle between comfort, cruising, and performance fun. Now for the part many have been waiting for, pricing. Volkswagen has priced the new Karmann Ghia quite competitively. The base model starts around $42,000, which undercuts some rivals while offering a ton of style and heritage. The dual-motor AWD version tops out around $55,000 fully loaded, with a special launch edition available for those who want exclusive features and limited badge flair. So there you have it, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A retro rebirth that feels fresh, fun, and forward-thinking. Whether you're into it for the style, the EV performance, or the nostalgic cool factor, there's no denying. Volkswagen just brought sexy back. Hit that like button if you agree, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Catch you in the next one.